For the next 7 days, I'm going to challenge myself to make $1,000 with affiliate marketing. And I'll be doing this completely from scratch and share the entire process with you. So if you want to see exactly how I go from $0 to $1,000 in just 1 week, stick around till the end of this video. So it's currently day 1 of this challenge and I have a lot of work that I need to get done today. And for those who aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically when you promote a brand's products or services with a specific link that you're given. And if someone actually clicks on your link and signs up, then you're gonna make a commission. But anyways, moving on now, the first thing I want to do today is just pick a topic or niche that I'm gonna promote. And there's so many good topics out there like cooking, finance, fitness, and self-development, but I'm going to be picking business for this challenge. Honestly, I've found that the business niche makes the most amount of money. Now, the next thing I want to do is actually create a theme page on TikTok and Pinterest, and I'll be using these pages to promote my affiliate links. And the reason I like to use these 2 social media platforms is because they are the easiest to grow on. So let me just quickly go ahead and create these accounts. Alright, so I did create my social media accounts, and they do have a very similar username on each account, which is way2billionaire. And I also did design the profile picture using Canva. Okay, so now that my pages are ready, before I can even start posting content, the next thing I have to do is actually go out there and look for good affiliate links that I can promote. Now, there are a few really good websites you can use to find affiliate links, but honestly, my 2 favorite ones are impact.com and clickbank.com. So I'll be using both of these platforms to find some good affiliate links. So let's go ahead and start with impact.com. So I'm going to create an account and it's going to ask me a ton of sign-up questions. So I'm just going to go through all of them real quick. So now that my account is done, I just have to wait a few hours until I get approved. Moving on, let's take a look at ClickBank and see if we can find anything. So in the affiliate marketplace, you can find tons of different affiliate links, and I'll be checking out the business and investing category. So I'm just going to take a few minutes to look through these and come back and give you an update once I find some. Okay, so I looked for a few minutes and I found this one affiliate link here where you can actually get paid to review apps on your phone. So I just need to go ahead and get my own custom affiliate link here, which is really easy to get. So now that I have my affiliate link, anytime someone actually comes to this page and signs up and uses the website to review apps, I then get paid a commission from that. And I can track all the commission that comes through on my ClickBank dashboard page. But anyways, I do want a few more affiliate links in the business money niche. So I am going to sign up for the Coinbase affiliate program. So if anyone actually signs up with this link and uses Coinbase to purchase crypto, I would make a $10 commission. Okay, so for now, I do have 2 affiliate links, but I do also want to get another 2. So my plan for now is honestly just to wait for my Impact account to get approved, and once it does, then I can actually look for the other 2 affiliate links. So I'll come back and update you once my account gets approved. Alright, so it's been about 4 hours and I finally got an email saying that my Impact account was approved. But anyways, let's check out Impact's affiliate programs. They honestly have a ton of really good ones. So I'm just going to look through finance here and see what options I can find. Okay, so one I did come across was the Robinhood affiliate program. You get $5 for every user that signs up, which is really good. And you also get an additional $20 for every user that actually makes a deposit in their account. Now, the next affiliate program I found is the Shopify affiliate program. And this one pays really well. So for every user that pays for their first month of Shopify after their 3-month free trial, you get paid $150. Now, yes, you do have to wait 3 months until you get paid, but this is honestly worth it. So I am going to apply to both the Shopify and Robinhood affiliate program and just wait until I get approved. Alright, so it's day 2 of this challenge and I just got approved for the Robinhood affiliate link. However, I still am waiting on the Shopify affiliate link. But it's fine since I am just going to start advertising the links I currently have. And before I do go over my advertising strategy, I did want to mention that I recently came out with an affiliate marketing course. I go through my exact step-by-step strategy that allows me to make over $15,000 every single month. So if you are interested in checking out the affiliate marketing course, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. But anyways, moving on now, let's go over my advertising strategy. So first things first, I have to put my affiliate links in my social media bios. And what I'm going to use is this website called Linktree, which basically allows you to have all your links in just one link. So I just created my Linktree and put it in my social media bios. And as you can see, once you click on it, all my affiliate links will show up here. But anyways, I am finally ready now to start posting videos in order to promote my my affiliate links. So the first thing I'm going to do is go on TikTok and just search for business motivation or money motivation, and now I'm just going to go ahead and look through all these videos. And anytime I come across an extremely viral video, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now once I do have a bunch of these videos saved, I can either go ahead and actually remake that video using the website Canva, or another thing I can do is actually go to this website called snaptik.app and then just download the video in there without a watermark. And then with that video, you could just go ahead and upload it to your social media accounts as your own. So as you can see in my camera roll now, I have a bunch of videos downloaded from Snaptik that I'll be using for my social media accounts. But anyways, moving on now, the one thing I want to mention is unfortunately, you cannot put a link in your TikTok bio until you reach 1,000 followers. But I do have a plan to reach 1,000 followers in less than 24 hours. And basically my plan is to make sure the first 6 videos I post on my account have all already gone viral on TikTok. Because if they have already gone viral once on TikTok, it's likely that they'll go viral again. And I have tried out this method on multiple different accounts and it always works for me. I have this one account called Millionaire Mentor and I did use this strategy on this account and it did work out. And the reason this method works is because TikTok will always boost the first few videos you post if they're good. And they do this so that you can get hooked to the platform, so of course you can take advantage of this opportunity. But anyways, my plan moving forward is just to post anywhere from 2 to 4 videos every single day on my TikTok and Pinterest account. So I'm done for now and I'll come back in a few days and give you an update to show you my results. Hopefully I end up making $1,000. Okay, so I'm finally back after a week and I'm very happy with the results. So before I even show you how much money I made, I first want to show you what ended up happening with my social media accounts. Okay, so first let's take a look at my TikTok account, and thankfully I was able to grow this to over 1,000 followers very quickly. And this is because I made sure the first 6 videos I posted were viral worthy. So within 24 hours I hit 1,000 followers and was able to put my link tree in my bio. And as you can see, my link tree has all my affiliate links, including the Shopify affiliate link, which I got approved for on day 5. And yes, it did take a while to get approved, but at least I got it. But anyways, a few of my videos did go viral. I have this video here that got over 100,000 views. And the caption of this video was free Shopify trial in my profile. And so because of this, a lot of people got redirected to the link in my bio. And I also did have a few other videos that did well that also redirected people to the link in my bio. But anyways, you can see that my TikTok account did pretty well, and sure, a few videos did flop, but that's completely normal. But anyways, let's move on to my Pinterest account, and I pretty much posted the exact same content on Pinterest as TikTok. But I have noticed it does take longer to actually get views on Pinterest. Usually you have to be consistent for about 2 to 3 weeks before you see views. And so because of this, I didn't really get much traction from my Pinterest account. So honestly, 100% of my leads came from TikTok, which is fine. But anyways, moving on to the exciting part, how much money did I actually end up making? So quick disclaimer, I know this challenge was supposed to be a week, but it did get delayed by 2 days just because it took a while to get the Shopify affiliate link. But anyways, in the 9 days that I ran this challenge, 21 people signed up for the free Shopify trial and 6 people signed up for Robinhood. No one signed up for the Coinbase affiliate link or the ClickBank affiliate link. So just from the Robinhood affiliate link, I made $30. Plus, I would make an additional $20 for every person that actually deposits money in their account. So I could end up making a lot more if I just wait a few weeks. And for Shopify, every user that pays for their first month of Shopify after their 3-month free trial will end up giving me $150 commission. So let's just say out of 21 people that signed up, about 30% of those people will actually end up paying for their first month of Shopify. So this means I would end up making about $900. And remember, this is a rough estimate. It could actually end up being more than $900 or a little bit less than that. But regardless, these results are still amazing. So sure, I didn't end up making $1,000 from this 1-week challenge, but I'm positive if I actually kept this running for the next few months, I could consistently make at least $2,000 every single month, especially because the Shopify affiliate program pays really well. And if you do want to learn my exact strategy to make over $15,000 a month from affiliate marketing, I'll leave my affiliate marketing course in the description of this video. But anyways, that's all for this video. I hope it helped you out and I'll see you in the next video.